Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing a mason jar set using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, cause I just wanna call my friend.
For this DIY, I started off by painting all of the glass jars with some ivory chalk paint, and I let them dry for 10 to 15 minutes.
Wish I had the guts to start a conversation with someone. Just be who I am, not care so much about first impressions. So, cause I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts and playing games. Maybe revealing they ring me and tell you my name. Yeah, I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. No more concealing they ring me, I won't be ashamed. Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. You do the same and we'll be alright. Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
Once they were done drying, I'm going to be sanding them down so I can make them look a little more de-stressed.
I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. You do the same and we'll be alright.
For the two shakers, I'm going to be using these stencils that I had gotten from the Dollar Tree, and with some black chalk paint, I'm going to be adding an S for salt in one of the shakers, and for the other one, a P for pepper. I'm going to be using these knobs that I had gotten from Walmart. It's a pack of 2 for $1.98, and I'm going to be using 2 packs, and with some E6000 I'm just going to be adding them on top of the lids. After 30 minutes, I spray painted all of the lids with some black spray paint. For the stand, I'm going to be staining all of the 4 mini palettes.
Some obsess about things. Some turn use into abuse and don't stop until it's too late. But all I do is love you.
Once the stain was done drying, I'm going to be adding them together with some E6000.
Oh, if only you could see. all I do is obsess.
To give it some detail, I'm going to be adding these handles that I got from Walmart. The pack of 2 was only $1.
Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension.
Now I'm just going to be pouring in the sugar, flour, coffee, and cinnamon into the mason jars. You could always add some stickers or vinyl so you can identify which one's which. I didn't have any at the moment, but I'm gonna go buy some so I could add onto the mason jars and they could look a little bit more fancy.
I'm trying to breathe, but the air feels just like water. You're making me weak now. What doesn't kill you makes you. Our hands touch once or twice. We should let them intertwine. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got a great idea. It ended up looking very beautiful and it is very budget friendly as well. If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, and that way you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Other than that, I hope y'all stay safe and God bless.